What do we have here? What do we have here? What's this one called again, love?
Ras Sapote.
All right, let's give it a try. Let's give this a try. This looks very similar to the one we had before, doesn't it?
Yeah, similar to Canistel. In the same family though. So what do you think?
Very good. Similar texture, flavor, but the flavor's a little bit better. The effect on the lips, it's like it's putting wax on your lips. But it's very good. Very, very good. I highly recommend it. Very good.
Delicious, right?
Absolutely. Let's check the seed out. See what it looks like. Oh, very similar to the previous one too. 2 seeds.
Okay.
Not bad. Try a little bit of that right there. It looks a little more ripe in the middle.
delicious. I know.
Delicious.
I really didn't like candy
Frozen?
still, but I did like this one. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's very fresh, very nice. Very good. Must try.
All right. Okay. Thank you for trying.
You're welcome.